Okay guys, today on the copper catcher, we're gonna strip some aluminum. I got some more aluminum in, so we're gonna strip some aluminum, and that's probably about it. We're gonna put you on time lapse, and I'm just gonna bust through a bunch of this stuff and get it stripped down. As you guys can see, we've already done quite a bit. I got to cut all that down to length. We got some pieces over there. We got all this here. We got two more piles just like that, plus this one. So I got quite a bit this time. So we're just going to hammer down, guys. This is some boring stuff, so we're just going to hammer down, time lapse it, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, we're getting there. We got one container full. We got a whole pile over there. Got some being stripped. Working on a third box. We got another box over here. pole. Got to get all this stripped. And we got that over there. So we're going to take that in and it's insulated because I'm not going to try to strip all that. So it's going to go the way it is. But we're getting there. Alright guys, we got a load of scrap loaded up today. It's a Sunday, so we'll be taking it in tomorrow on a Monday. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got on the trailer. It's a pretty good load. We got a couple 3 boxes of aluminum, big roll of copper wire that I ain't stripping, bunch of steel that I've been collecting over the last couple weeks. But yeah, pretty good load. That's gonna be the end of that one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you see what you see, don't forget to share it. And until next time, enjoy our wild America.